We are beginning to understand and internalise that we are experiencing the impacts of climate change, and one of its consequences, like never before, is high temperature. It rises up, and every year the heat lasts longer. Climatization inside our workspaces is vital, but the solution must be coherent, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Introducing hiCool, the environmentally friendly climatization system used in thousands of facilities all around the world. Able to reduce the temperature between 7 and 20 degrees with doors and windows open, and its electricity consumption is 80% lower than an air conditioner. hiCool is based on a physical principle of nature, adiabatic cooling. As water evaporates, it absorbs energy from the surrounding air, decreasing its temperature. hiCool is able to optimize this natural process in an innovative way. Using a pump, water circulates through a distributor that soaks our high-performance filters, specially designed to cool the air. Thanks to a high-flow axial inverter fan, the outside air is pushed through all filters, cooling it and propelling it inside, without introducing water particles. hiCool is much more than just cold air. It ventilates and renews indoor air with clean, filtered, particle-free air, free of smokes and smells, regulating fine dust particles, balancing humidity and reducing static electricity. Our high flow rate expels any polluted air outside. With hiCool, you can control the climatization for the whole indoor area, or by zones. Zonal climatization works by targeting specific areas, enabling it to operate without the need to subdivide the space. Global climatization manages the entire volume of air. In this case, forced extractions, or open doors and windows, are essential to achieve the wanted benefits. hiCool, combined with the high-flow fans, is the optimal solution for spaces where maximum thermal comfort and airflow are required at low energy cost. hiControl, the most advanced control system on the market. Thanks to its sensors for temperature, humidity, CO2, electricity and water consumption, it is able to precisely monitor all conditions. It also provides data on air quality and CO2 emissions. The Modbus protocol allows you to integrate other systems such as high-flow industrial fans, forced extraction systems and other systems, all centralized on the same control. hiCool improves air quality, creating true healthy comfort zones, increasing productivity and reducing the claims rate and risks at work. hiCool, working for a better future.